Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to completely delete all your timeline data from the Google Maps app on your phone. This is important if you want to protect your privacy or just start fresh with your location history. First, open the Maps app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon at the top right. Next, scroll down through the menu and click on Settings to access the app options. After that, tap on Personal Content. Then, scroll down until you find the option that says Delete all timeline data. Tap on this option to proceed. After that, you will see a confirmation box. Check the box that says you understand and want to delete your timeline data. Finally, click on the Delete button to remove all your stored location history from Google Maps. This process may take a few moments depending on the amount of data you have, so be patient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.